Welcome to TMA Connect 2026, live from the Hard Rock in Tulsa, Oklahoma. So excited to have everyone here. So have fun and learn a bunch.
Hey, it is great to see everyone here at TMA Connect. Love seeing our partners, our employees, our customers. Have a fantastic day. And again, thanks for coming to the show.